Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. I'm in Sweden, my home country, and I'm gonna show you the classical Swedish street food, or at least from the west coast where I'm from, around Gothenburg. And it's called a Halv Special, Halv Special. And the story behind it is, I think it was in the 40s, there was a sausage stand that you could either buy sausage in a bun, like a normal hot dog, or sausage with mashed potatoes, or sausage with mash. And one day a guy came by and he said, yeah, I want a hot dog in the bun, but I want some mash on top of it. So he got that, the guy made it for him. And then he came back 2 weeks later and he said, I want a special. So that's where the names come from. And it's called Halv Special. But let's go order it at Halv Gatukök, which is the best street food place for Swedish street food in Gothenburg. And he makes his mash himself. It's not this powdered mash. Let's go order one. Due to COVID, there are some restrictions on, so we're queuing. This is Halv's. But we'll soon get there and then order our Halv Special. So now we're up. Hej, en Halv Special tack.
Yes.
Grillad korv,
Jajamän.
hamburgardressing och stekt lök på, eller vad heter det?
Lägger du rostade eller?
Rostad lök, ja. So this is the famous menu. See the different sausages, but it's top left is Halv Special. Let's have a quick look at what we have here. We have a grilled sausage in a bun. Obviously you don't see the bun because it's underneath a hell of a lot of potato puree. And we have hamburger dressing on top of that. And fried onion to top it all off. And in Sweden you drink this called Pucko. It's just chocolate milk basically. Now we're gonna dig into this beauty. So the Pucko you always need to shake. And it should make a popping sound. Cheers. Now I'll show you, this is the special fork you get. I don't know if you can see it, but it's serrated on one side so you can cut into the sausage. 3-second rule. This is fast food at its best. And you're free to mix and match as you want on top of it. So you can go for mustard ketchup on the sausage. And on top of the potato puree you can have, like I have, hamburger dressing, ketchup, mustard. There's something called Västkust salad. It's like a mayonnaise shrimp salad. You can have Boston gurka, which is a pickled cucumber, kind of chopped up in small pieces. And there's plenty more you can have. I just don't remember them by now. But my favorite is the hamburger dressing. But the potato puree here is the best. It's homemade. And not many places make them homemade in Sweden. And Halv's is a really popular place. It's a bit outside. I hope the camera's not shaking too much because it's a bit windy. But it's a bit outside of Gothenburg. And it's 3:30, so lunchtime is past. But I still stood in line for about 20 minutes. And it's been here since the 50s, I believe. I usually never drink chocolate milk. But with the Halv Special, you have to have a Pucko. So now I've eaten most of the mash. I'll just show you the bread so that you don't think I'm lying to you. It's a bit messy. So this is the hot dog part. And it's just basically covered in potato puree. Down to the last bite. So, I'm sharing a bit of my Swedish heritage with you. That was the Halv Special with a Pucko. Tastes really great, looks perverse, but tastes really great. And if you're ever in Sweden, you should definitely try it. But that's it for my trip to Sweden. I was a bit lazy. I wanted to produce some more content, but I enjoyed the weather and the family instead. And we're back to cooking again next week, I think, because then I'm back in Switzerland. And then we have some other stuff coming up, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button. Check the little bell icon as well so that you get notifications when new content comes online. But that's it for me today from Gothenburg. Bye-bye.